Okay, for 70, they want us to find the x and y intercepts and then graph. So the easiest way, right, to find the x-intercept is to substitute 0 in for y, right? So I get x minus 0 equals 4, minus 0 equals 4. So the x-intercept is 4. Okay, now let's find the y-intercept, right? So the y-intercept, x minus 2y equals 4. The way we find the y-intercept is we substitute 0 in for x, right? Minus 2y equals 4. So the 0 goes away, right? So I divide negative 2 on both sides, and I get y equals negative 2. So the y-intercept is negative 2. So if I were going to graph this now, right, it'd be really easy because I have 2 points, and 2 points defines a line, right? So the x-intercept is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The y-intercept is negative 2, negative 2. And then we just draw a line through those 2 points very quickly. Okay, and for b, right, let's do b, same way, right? 3x plus 6y equals 24. To find the x-intercept, we substitute a 0 in for y. So 3x plus 6 times 0 equals 24. 3x equals 24. And we divide both sides by 3. And we get the x-intercept equals 8. Okay. Then for the y-intercept, same thing, right? 3x plus 6y equals 24. Y-intercept, we put a 0 in for x, right? So we get 6y equals 24. We divide both sides by 6, and we get y equals 4. So the y-intercept is 4. And to graph that, we can do that quickly, right? X, y. X-intercept's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And y-intercept is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we just draw a line through those 2 points. And you can quickly see that using x and y intercepts to graph lines is a pretty convenient way.